Hey everybody, and welcome to this video about how we can take a dynamic SQL string and make it into a prepared statements to improve our security. We have a database application here. We have a simple application that takes a full name and a review contents, and then we can save that to the database. And we can see here we have some entries here. We can delete them, and that's basically it. How does that look in our PHP? We can see we got the application here, and we have the create review function that is a part of CRUD operations. And if we take a look at this line here, we are making an insert into review where we have the full name, the contents, and then we include our variables here. This is dynamic SQL, meaning that we are constructing this string every time, and it needs to be compiled actually when it goes to the database. And it poses some security vulnerabilities because we don't really know what a person can input here. So how do we take this statement here and convert it into a prepared statement instead? First, let's take a copy of the file here, and we will just comment that out here, and we will modify it a little bit. We have to take these dynamic portions away from the SQL statement, and then we will put in some placeholder values. We have the full name and we have the contents. This SQL statement here will not change. This is something that we can compile one time, and then we will attach some variables. We will bind them to these values here. So we're going to type here handle bind parameter, and then we need to clarify what parameter this is. We have the full name, then we will put in the actual variable, which is the full name variable. And optionally you can also input a data type if you want it to be a string or an integer or whatever. And if we put in a string, you can also input what the length is, but this is optional. So we have the bind parameter, and we need one for contents. So we got full name, we have contents, and then we bind our variables to that. Let's save that and refresh our application. So now we can see here that it saved the review. This is not a big change compared to the previous example. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.